Ever imagined to have your own private and local AI server? Well, buckle up because today we are delving into the fascinating realm of AI servers. I will guide you step by step how to set up your AI server and run it with a really cool interface. So this is AmrSec, go get your coffee ready and let's dive in. So first we will start by installing WSL, and this to run Linux on our Windows. So we'll do that by searching for PowerShell and run it as administrator, of course. And what we have to do is simply type WSL install, and after that it's going to be installed with you and run in your machine. I already have it installed, so I don't need to do that right now. After installing WSL, what you have to do is just install any Linux distribution. I loved Ubuntu, it worked with me with that. So what I have to do is just type WSL-D Ubuntu and it's going to be installed with you. But again, I already have it installed. So what I have to do right now is just close that and go to my terminal and run it. And right here, I'm going to choose Ubuntu. And let me zoom a little for you. So right now we have Ubuntu and all fine. First, what we have to do is to install Ollama AI Foundation. And to install it, simply open your browser and search for Ollama installation right here. And as you can see, there is 3 options. You can install it in Mac and Linux and Windows. I don't recommend installing it in Windows, so I will choose Linux. And here is my command that will install Ollama for me. Just paste it right here and hit enter. Give it a couple of seconds. Let me type my password. So give it a couple of seconds and it will be installed with you. So as you can see right now, Ollama have been installed with us, and it's telling me right here that I have an NVIDIA GPU. Of course, if you don't have a GPU on your PC or laptop, it will use the CPU. And it's telling me that the Ollama API is available at 11434 port. So let me try to access it right here. And as you can see, it's not working. So what I have to do is first let me run Ollama right here. And as you can see, to start Ollama, what I have to do just Ollama serve and hit enter. Let me back and refresh. And as you can see right here, it's telling you Ollama is running. So what I'm going to do is open a new terminal right here. And let me zoom a little bit. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to use Ollama to install our AI module. And of course, my favorite one is Llama 3. So I will just try Ollama bull Llama 3 and hit enter. So right now, Ollama is pulling Llama 3 AI module to our machine. It's a 4.7 gigabytes, so you have to go take a coffee break for 5 minutes and back again, so it will be installed with you. And as you can see right now, Llama 3 have been installed with us too. So now this will be really cool. Watch that. Right now I will write Ollama run, and it's going to be Llama 3 and hit enter. And as you can see right now, it's asking you to send a message. First, let me just open a new terminal right here to watch my GPU, okay? To watch your GPU, what you have to do is write watch-n 0.5 NVIDIA-MSI. I already have the command, so I will hit enter, and as you can see right here, this is my GPU. So here I will freeze this for a minute. So right here, let me just ask the AI, what is AI, for example. As you can see here, Llama 3 start to generate the answer for me. And of course, you can see the GPU usage. So I will just unfreeze that right here and back here and stop it. So let's try to choose different things. For example, I need code for JavaScript, for example, to redirect a page. And as you can see here, it started generating the answer for me. It's telling me use Windows application.href, and of course I will stop it right here. because actually I don't need it anymore. Right here, if you just write that and hit enter, here you can set session variables and show module information using the show command and too much more. But the most important thing right here is by command, and that means thank you Llama, I don't need you right now. So using the AI in your terminal is really cool, but what's gonna be more cool is to use it in your web browser, something like ChatGPT. So if you want to do that, we're going to use something like OpenWebUI or Open Web User Interface. So to install that, first you have to make sure that you have Docker installed in your machine. So I'll just write sudo apt install docker.io and hit enter. Let me just write my password, and it starts installing Docker right now. And okay, all done. So right now what I'm going to do, write sudo and paste that command right here. And by the way, all the commands and all the links I have used in this video, you will find it down in the description of this video. So right here, I will use this command to run OpenWebUI, and of course I'm here specifying my Ollama API port, it's 11434, and I will just hit enter right here. So right now I will go to my browser. I'm already have added my IP as AmrChat name on my etc hosts, and I will add the port 8080 like that. And as you can see right here, we have a user interface for our chat, but of course in your site it will be a little bit different. You will have to enter your name and email address and password and confirm it, because actually the first email you will do, it will be the administrator email, okay? So if you forgot your password, what you have to do is go to your terminal, convert your new password to bcrypt hash, and after that replace this hash to your current email in the database and try to log in again. It will work with you. So what I got to do right here, I already saving my data right here, so I will just hit sign in, and as you can see right here, we have a completely cool interface, exactly something like ChatGPT. And of course right here you can see my module that I have. You can add another modules from Ollama, and if I try to hit to ask it what is networking, for example, and hit enter, and as you can see it starts to generate the answer for me. Of course I will stop it right now, I don't need to see that. And if you go to your profile and admin panel, you can see right here the users. You can add user, you can delete user, you can do whatever you like. And the most important thing right here in the settings, for example, the images, you can link it with the Stable Diffusion images to generate an images for you, and you can control the chats, you can add system prompts and do whatever you like. That's why this is really cool. So actually that's pretty much it today. We have installed Ollama on our Ubuntu machine, and we have run it on our terminal, and we have installed OpenWebUI to use our interface. And you can see right here I'm using Llama 3, the module that we have installed. Remember, knowledge is power, but using it responsibly is what makes a difference. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more cybersecurity content, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Got any questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments below, or just reach me directly using Twitter or LinkedIn. And until next time, stay curious and stay secure.